guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing another 3 looks, 1 palette tutorial using the Rimmel Spice palette. And I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. You can create so many different looks with this. If you would like to see this look and 2 other looks, just keep on watching and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. So first I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, and I'm just putting that all over my lids, and then I do let that dry for like a minute before I go in with my eyeshadow. I'm just going to be using this second color in this palette and the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just blending that shade here in the crease and also in the outer V. Just using windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend that out. Next, I'm just using the Morphe M513 and the 4th shade over in this palette. I want to deepen up the crease a little more, and I'm just using the same technique to blend that out in the crease. I'm going to be using the 5th shade over in this palette and the Morphe M433 brush. And once again, I'm just placing this in my crease and in my outer V. And I'm just slowly building up the colors to make it a little darker, to give it more of a gradient effect. And then I'm going in with this dark purple color and my Wet n Wild small concealer brush. And first I'm just patting this on the last kind of third of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm also just working that same color here in the outer V, just taking it over the same placement as on the lid. And then I'm going back with some more of that dark orangey red color and blending that into my crease. Then I'm just using this Sigma concealer brush and placing this color on the lid. I didn't like the intensity of this, like I didn't feel like it was shimmery enough, so I decided to get some more of that shade on my brush, and I sprayed that color with the MAC Fix Plus to intensify the eyeshadow and make it more metallic. That's just my trick if I'm using an eyeshadow and it's not dark enough or if it's not shimmery enough. I just like to go in with the makeup setting spray. Now I'm going back in with that dark purple, and I just want to focus that a little more in the outer V. So that's what I was doing there. And see, with this color I wanted it to be a little darker, so I just got some of that purple on that brush and then misted it with that makeup setting spray, and then I'm just going in to blend out the outer V to make sure that everything looks seamless. With that same dark matte purple, I'm going in with my Sigma Pencil E30 brush and just blending that on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going in with that white and using that as my inner corner highlight. Once again, I'm just using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer and just priming my eyelids. Next, I'm going in with the 2nd shade in this palette and the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just blending that here in my crease. Then I'm going in with a white shade and using that as my brow bone highlight. Next I'm going in with this reddish orange and the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just blending the shade in my crease and in my outer V. As you can see, that shade just wasn't intense enough for me, so that's why I got it on this eyeshadow brush and then misted it with the makeup setting spray, and that just helps to intensify the eyeshadow and just make it pop. Then I'm just going back in with that matte reddish orange and just blending out the edges of that shadow, just making sure that everything looks like a seamless transition. I'm just going back in with that dark matte brownish red and smudging that there on the lower lash line. If you are curious about what other products I used on my face on any of these looks, I will have everything linked down below, so just expand to see what I used if you're curious. I just wanted to give the eyeliner a more faded and just softer look, so I'm just going in with a Caudill eyeliner and just blending, smudging that out to give it more of a soft edge. So I'm just going in with that second shade and I'm just blending that into my crease and my outer V. Next I'm going in with the white highlight shade and just using that as my brow bone highlight. With this look, I'm just slowly building up the colors to give it a really soft gradient effect. So I'm just going in with a slightly darker color and blending that in the outer V and also in my crease. Then I'm going in with this darker brown. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I'm just patting that on the last third of my eyelid with my Wet n Wild concealer brush, and then I'm blending that out with the Sigma E25 blending brush. And then here in a minute you will see that this color wasn't quite dark enough for me, so I went in with that color on my makeup brush and then just sprayed it with my MAC Fix Plus, my little trick to intensify eyeshadows like I was telling you guys before. Then I'm just going in with a mix of those two shades and putting those on the front part of my eyelid and just blending where that meets with that darker bronzy color. And then I'm just cleaning up here underneath of my eyes. I just find for me it's better if I use whatever moisturizer I'm using in a Q-tip to clean up instead of a makeup remover wipe, because those can be really irritating on my under eyes. So if that happens to you, just try that little trick out and that really helps. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments which other palette I should do a 3 looks with. Just let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.